Guys, what is up? Yo guys, what is up? So I want to talk about something. I got a copyright notice on YouTube. I'm pretty sure the copyright notice is from my last video I posted. Back, oh my people. Okay, so in my last video I played music. I'm pretty sure like in the other videos, it could have been those, but I'm pretty sure it's the last one. The reason I'm pretty sure it's the last one is because I played like three. The One Piece intro for Wano. I played, I don't know, the Rent a Girlfriend, music. Uh, what else? What was another one? I forgot what it was. So, I got a copyright notice, but I don't care. I'm still gonna play songs at the end of my videos. I really don't care if I get in trouble or not. YouTube needs to stop being like that. This whole app got ruined. Like, there's too much sensitive people in this world anymore. Like, in this world now. So, like I said, I got a copyright notice. Just wanted to let y'all know. Don't worry, I'm still gonna be posting videos. And if I stop, then I either been like warned or banned from posting videos, so keep that in mind. And if I do, I'll keep up in the Discord with my friends Andrew and everyone. Make sure to join Andrew's Discord so you could talk to us. Head to his channel and go through his description, and you should see the link. So as I was saying, I got copyrighted. I'm still gonna be posting videos, and yeah, so keep that in mind, and let's end the video with music. Don't care if I get copyrighted, so see y'all in the next video. By the way, the next video is gonna be Among Us, so see y'all. And just for now, sorry for that, guys. My cousin is being bad and cries for no reason. But anyways, we're gonna end this video with a song, and this music is not me. I just find it on off YouTube. So, and yes, I do watch anime. I started watching anime when I was like 6 or 7 years old. Before it was a trend. The first anime I ever watched was Naruto. So anyways, yeah, the music is not mine in this video. This music I will be using belongs to Trap Music, so go check out his channel. Let's get to it.